Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video, we are going to see about top 5 best IDEs for Python. So before start this video, you need to know about what is meant by IDE. An integrated development environment, shortly called as IDE, is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for the software development. Mainly, IDE consists of syntax highlighting, code completion, debugging, code search, and visual programming features. So these are some common features of IDE. So let's see about top 5 IDEs for Python. Okay, I arranged this list as a beginner level to pro level. So it is easy for you to choose the best one based on your categories. You will find all the download links on my Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link in the description. Before start this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and help me to reach out 10k subscribers on YouTube. Mainly share this channel and share this video to your friends and colleagues, those who are interested in Python. Okay, so let's start the video. The first one is IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It's a default editor that comes with Python installation. This software helps a beginner to learn Python easily. So if you are a beginner, definitely you need to use this app for your Python initial experiences. This software is coded in Python and use lightweight Tinker toolkit to draw its own GUI. So in this software, if you want to install any external packages for your projects, then you need to use command prompt for Windows and terminal for Linux for doing the installation. So the second one is PyCharm. PyCharm is a cross-platform IDE used for Python programming. This editor can be used for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. This software contains a special API that can be used by developers to write their own Python plugins so that they can extend the basic functionalities of Python. So in this IDE, if you want to install any other external libraries for your projects, then you need to use the built-in library installer that is available inside this IDE. So using this installer, you can install any other Python libraries for your projects. And the third one is Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is a tool for people who have just started the data science like me. Most of the data scientists prefer this IDE as their first opinion because of its simplicity and interactive representation. This IDE provides interactive representation for Python libraries such as Matplotlib, Plotly and so many Python libraries. When it comes to data science, we have lot of workloads to train our models for our projects. Jupyter Notebook handles the nice way of approach that gives interactive representation of our projects based on machine learning and data science. And the fourth one is Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a text editor written in C++ and Python, and it is available on Windows, Mac and Linux. There is a small history behind this text editor development. So you need to go back to 2007 when its creator John Skinner quit his job at Google in order to pursue one of his dreams. His dream is to create a better text editor for programmers. Actually, he succeeded in his dream. This text editor considered as one of the best editor for Python. Sublime Text 3 is a code editor which supports many programming languages including Python. It has built-in support for Python. The customization of Sublime Text 3 is available for create a full-fledged Python programming environment. And the fifth one is Spyder. Spyder is a scientific integrated development environment written in Python. This software is designed for and by the scientist who can use with Matplotlib, SciPy, NumPy and Pandas. It is good IDE for them. Mainly this IDE is designed for the advanced Python programs. Spyder is available through Anaconda. Anaconda is an open source distribution system. This software is available on Windows, Mac and Linux. So this is my top 5 list about IDEs and text editors for Python. Okay, so if you want to install these softwares on your system, then the download link is on my Telegram channel. Okay, so join my Telegram channel to get the instant updates of my videos. So thanks for watching and keep support me to reach 10k subscribers on YouTube. Please share this channel to your friends and colleagues, those who are interested in Python. Thanks for watching and thank you.